welcome back. Today I have a special guest with me, my brother Ishu aka Fish. So he's gonna prove to you all that he's ready for a wife now. He's gonna share a recipe for stewed chicken. Nina Hussein requested this video, so this one is for you, Nina.
Alright, so this is for the seasoning. Garlic, onion, pimentos, hot pepper and bandania. And we're using this to chunk in the pot. Garlic, pimento, onions and hot pepper.
And the most important thing,
The chicken.
and tell them how to clean and wash the chicken.
Well,
Pull out the excess skin, the fat, the
And what
guts.
do you wash your chicken with?
Yeah, what do you wash the chicken with?
just flour.
Just flour, no lime, no
Flour,
lemon.
no lime, no salt.
Okay, so what's the purpose of the flour? Because people are gonna ask.
Well, we don't like to taste the freshness and smell the freshness in the chicken. So.
And the flour
And the
cuts.
slime.
Yeah, the flour
And
cuts
flour
the
cuts everything
slime
from it.
mainly, yeah, and the freshness.
And that's the best thing I ever used.
And sometimes we use white vinegar.
Yeah, white vinegar, lemon, or lime. You could use anything that works for you.
I don't like to use the lemon or lime because the meat just gets stiff. Ketchup, a sour ketchup. I don't like to use the sweet ones because the stews come out a little too sweet. Sweet Thai chili sauce.
Well, you know they're gonna come for in the comments for this one.
Well-
so explain the.
Well, this is my
explain.
version. Is give it a better taste.
Okay,
Right? Oyster sauce
that's the next one they're gonna come for you.
and ginger soy sauce.
Okay, and you
well,
could definitely use any
salt
type of
to
soy
taste.
sauce. Yeah, salt.
Well, this is his version of stewed
Yeah,
chicken.
this is his version. So you all can customize it to your preference, to your
yeah,
taste.
this is my taste.
Yeah, this is his take on stewed chicken. I actually make it totally different to how he makes it, so I wanted to share his version. And Nina actually saw a video on Pete's channel on how my brother makes his stewed chicken, and she said she loves that way, so she wanted him to share it with chicken. So he's gonna make the seasoning. He's adding some garlic,
The onions,
onion,
pimento,
pimento is
green and red.
Yeah.
Well, green and ripe because you get a different flavor from both.
and
hot pepper.
pimento peppers are more for flavor, and we call them seasoning peppers because they just flavor as opposed to give heat to a dish, so they'll just give you more flavor. And a little bit of water.
And we'll add the bandania after.
So we have the roasted, cut up and clean chicken here,
And we're
and
adding
adding salt.
to taste.
Well, you can't taste it,
Well, you could taste
so
it
don't
if you
say
want.
salt to taste. Say salt to your preference.
Soy sauce. Just a little bit of the chili sauce. A little bit of the oyster sauce.
So what does the oyster sauce do for your stew chicken?
It's give it a different flavor, I find.
Okay. Like a thicker sauce?
Yeah, and I like to cook any stew with a thicker sauce.
Okay.
It's get a more intense flavor. That's why I make the seasoning thick.
So now the green seasoning goes in. So you're adding all the seasoning or you're just keeping some?
Keeping a little bit for when it's cooking.
The real seasoning.
Doesn't need as much. And ketchup.
So you like this specific
This
brand?
specific brand
Because
or any brand that is more sour.
Okay. So now this has to marinate for a couple hours if you want, or overnight, or you can even make it right away.
We add in the oil.
And how
Heat up.
high should they have the heat?
Medium.
Medium heat, because you don't want the
Medium.
sugar to
You don't want the sugar
burn.
to burn too much. We're going to add the sugar to caramelize now.
Yeah,
So
once the oil heats
once the
through.
oil is hot enough, and you want to spread it around, not to clump it up too much.
Yeah, because you want it to caramelize evenly.
So that should be enough. About, for the amount of chicken you're using, that's about 2 tablespoons.
So he's using a dry spoon just to help it along.
Right, the sugar should look like this, as we say, million bubbles.
And it starts to swell and
Right,
move.
once it rises enough and it starts to get dark, we add in the aromatic essence.
And you want that to fry properly.
But you have to keep turning it so that the sugar wouldn't burn.
So why did you choose to add the aromatics to the sugar as opposed to adding it to the chicken and then adding the chicken to the sugar?
Because when you add it to the sugar and you allow it to fry, you get a different flavor.
Okay. Because I do it the next way.
Like mine tastes better.
Well, I had to try it like this then.
Alright, so we can add the chicken now.
So the chicken goes in. So I see that lovely golden brown color coming in already.
Alright, so we're gonna cover it now for about 5-10 minutes
To let bunje.
till it burns.
So to the bowl that the chicken was in, he's gonna just add some water because he wants to get out all the seasoning.
And we're gonna add the remainder of the seasoning that we kept back.
Oh, to this. So the chicken is steaming. So that's the natural juices from the chicken. We didn't add anything else.
And we're gonna leave it uncovered now.
Yeah. So it's gonna stay uncovered, and we want this first water to reduce, and then we'll add that seasoning water, and the water from the bowl, we'll add it back to this. So it's been about 10 minutes, and we are using a large ring stove, so we're getting a lot of heat with this. So it may take a longer time on a regular stove. So what is the purpose of bunjing the chicken?
To give it that flavor, the stew flavor.
And you want to get that fresh liquid.
Everything out,
Out.
yeah. So we're gonna let it reduce until almost no moisture is in, until it started sticking in the pot, just
Okay.
before it will start to burn. But not to that point.
You'll hear like a
A sizzling
sizzle.
sound,
Yeah, like a sizzle.
and we almost to that point.
We're getting the sizzle now. So, what are you gonna do?
We're almost ready to add the water. Okay. I don't know if you could see, the longer we let it reduce, the darker the color and the more intense the flavor.
Well, we can't taste it yet, but the color looking nice. It have a thick sauce coating the outside of the chicken.
Look, you can see it on the spoon. Alright, so you're gonna add the water. You just have to put enough to cover the chicken.
Yeah, you want to
Once
add
you
enough
cover
to
the
cover
meat,
it.
probably a half inch to an inch above the meat, seeing as this chicken is cooked fast. Alright, and then we're gonna uncover it and let it come to a boil.
Right, so he's gonna cover it up and then let it do its thing. It's gonna take about 20 to 30 minutes
Probably.
and I will check it back. So how long has it been now?
Probably about 10 minutes.
So you're gonna check out what's going on here. So it's bubbling away.
Right, so we're gonna leave it uncovered for the sauce to reduce to where we want it.
Okay. And keep in mind that we're using a ring stove with high
Exactly, we
heat.
have a lot of heat on this.
So you'll have to change up. It might take a little bit longer if you're using just a regular stove. So you might think it's cooking quickly, but it's because we're using this ring stove. So it's been about 15 minutes.
Alright, so the roast about done. Just gonna taste it for salt.
You'll get in trouble for that, eh?
Why?
Because I do that on Eat Up Food and a guy tell me you're not supposed to do that on Facebook.
You know where my mouth was today? Suppose I put a spoon in my mouth and then go back in the pot. Alright, so everything tasting good, salt, flavor, so I think that is it.
So what do you usually eat stewed chicken with?
Dal and rice.
So that's what we're gonna eat it
Yeah,
with
dal
today.
and rice and stew chicken today.
You could also eat it with hops bread, you could eat it with
Or
roti.
paratha roti.
Yeah. You could have it with different types of roti. Paratha, dosi, dal puri. But we love it with dal and rice. So it's our favorite time now, time to eat. So I want you all to see how Isha does eat his own. He's just take a lot of sauce and mix it up with the dal and rice.
That's because the flavor are good.
Yeah. Well, I just added my dal and rice and then some sauce on top. And then I have the stew chicken. So I'm gonna give the stew chicken a taste and I'll let you all know what I think.
It's the best.
Tastes good. It actually tastes good, yeah. You can find a wife now.
Not looking for it.
So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much to Isho for sharing his stewed chicken recipe with you all and with me. So now I'm gonna attempt to make it and I hope it turns out as amazing as this. So I hope you all enjoyed. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, leave all your comments down below, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!